Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I do my edges. So there are three ways that I do my edges, so I'll be showing you all three in this video. So if you'd like to see how I do them, then please keep on watching. So the first edges I'm going to show you today is my natural edges. So what that means is basically there's no effort put into it. So I'm going to take my toothbrush. I'm just going to brush it down, brush down the front of my hair. And I'm just going to take my water bottle and I'm going to spray some water to it. Good. I'm just going to brush that down. Ooh. Brush that down. For this natural look, I'm going to be using my Wetline Extreme Gel. I don't have this in the bottle. I have it in a bag because I just flew in and I needed the space, so I'm just gonna take a little bit on my brush and that's not a little bit. I'm just gonna put that on my edges like so. I put a lot. And then I'm just going to take my brush and pull down, hold, and C-curve. Pull down, hold, and C-curve. I'm just gonna fix that up a little bit. Pull down, curve, and see. And that's it. Next side, pull down, hold, and C-curve. I just hold that and pull that up. And that's basically my natural edges. That's like my everyday edges. This is like my go-to hairstyle right here. So this is how I do my natural edges. Alright, so now for my laid edges, which is my second type of edges that I do. So basically it's more extreme because for the natural edges, like I'll get like a little curl there and I'll leave it because it kind of goes with the whole curly hair. But for my laid edges, you want everything to look slick. So what I'm going to be using is my Gorilla Snot Gel, right? And then I'm going to be using my bandana to tie down, to lay those edges down. So for this look, I'm gonna be doing extra edges, not just these two right here. So I'm gonna add some more here and I'm just gonna use my snot gel. Okay, and the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pass over what I already did, because I usually use both gel, the Wetline Extreme Gel and the snot gel for the slick look. Good, like so. So we're doing the same motion, pull down, hold, swoop. Same thing. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna put this behind my hand, like so. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with the next side. So I could get like the slick look. Hold and pull. Down and pull. Brush it up into the hair. I need to fix this. Pull. Okay. And then brush it up. And then I have some hair in the middle here that I want to pull down. That's just like parts of my hair that's broken off and pretty short. So I'm just gonna use that and pull that into my hair like that. Pull, C-curve, upside down C, pull, C-curve, upside down C. Right, and then I'm just going to take the snot, a little bit of the snot, pull down, C-curve, down, C-curve. And the key to this is making sure that you hold down the hair so it doesn't move when you're like sweeping it across. There we go. And then I'm going to do lower down here as well. I'm just gonna brush that down a little bit, and I'm not gonna use the wet line for this. I'm just gonna use the snot. I'm just gonna curve it, hold, pull, curve it, hold, pull, curve it, hold, pull, curve it, hold, pull. There we go. Do the next side. So you just go over it a couple of times to make sure you get the shape that you want. You don't want it looking all jagged. Pull and curve. This one is giving a bit of trouble. Curve, curve. There we go. Curve. So now I'm just gonna take my bandana like this, fold it in like this, and then I'm just gonna roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it like so. Like this, and then I'm just gonna press that down into my hair, tie it, and hold. So I let that stay there for a little bit. So now for the final reveal, just gonna pull it off lightly. Hopefully it does not blow out slowly. And there we go. That is my sleek look. I really like this one. It takes more time though, but you know. And now for the final style, I do the wavy edge. So it's basically connecting each of these and making sure there's like one long line. So that's not for everybody. I don't wear it all the time either, but you know, if I'm feeling extra, whatever, I'll do it. So I have to take these out. All right, so I'm just gonna put my hair up. So the first thing that we do, I'm just gonna brush this out a little bit because it's so slicked down, as you can see. So I'm just gonna brush it all down. And because I already have stuff in my hair, what I'm gonna do is shape it first, and then whatever I feel needs some more gel, I'm gonna put it in. So the key is just, so you're doing the same motion, but you gotta keep holding the hair, because if you don't keep holding the hair, it's gonna lift up. So you gotta keep pulling, holding, and dragging your finger as you go. Alright, so we're gonna go like that. Then you're gonna use the index finger, hold like that, right? And then you go like that. And then you go like that. So that's like a big fail, number one. But it's okay. You know, you gotta keep going over it over and over again until you get it. So you go like that, and then you hold with your middle finger like that, and then you pull down, and then you go like so. Still a big of a fail. We're getting there. So we're gonna go do that again. Do it again. Go like that, hold there, pull down, middle finger that, and then you pull down, and then you go like that. So then the next side, I'm gonna spray some more water on my brush. Same thing on this side. Hold there, make sure when you hold, you get the curve up, and then you pull forward, hold, and then you go up. Like I said, this look is not for everybody, and I don't do this all the time. This is only when I am feeling a tad extra. So that's it. I'm gonna take my bandana again, and I'm going to put that down on my head. So now for the final reveal. Oh gosh, this is like nerve-wracking. So pull, 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 slowly, making sure that it does not lift up. Alright, so this is my final edge style. It's the wave, you know. I think it's pretty cute, depending on what you wear and such. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, give it a good like, and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends if they're interested in how to get their edges laid. Also, I hope this was really helpful. Like, it took me a while to actually learn how to do my edges. It took a lot of practice, and even up to this day, I'm not like great at it. You still have to practice and know what look that you're going for. I think that's all part of it. Like sometimes a couple days after your hair been styled a certain way, like it would not be easy to manipulate. So I think the easiest trick is to either wet it, which I always do, wet your edges, or maybe try washing out just your edges alone. Let me know how you like to do your edges down below, if there's another way. I know a lot of you guys like to do the curly swirly thing. I don't mind doing it. This by itself kind of freaks me out because I don't like things touching my face. I've done it before, it was great, but it's something that I did not want to do again. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. See you guys next week.